Do I plan on sailing Bahamas during hurricane season? We're actually looking for a home for Disco Daddy during the summer in Florida. If you have any recommendations, please tag them below. We'll be spending our summer in a few different places. Logan and I have a planned trip to Italy for a European wedding, so an Amalfi summer will be happening, but we still have a few weeks to go to other places. Could be Spain, maybe somewhere else, but if you have recommendations, let me know. In September, I'll be heading deep into the Canadian bush to do a 2-week moose hunting expedition. And then during the following months, we'll be spending some time in Sun Valley, Idaho, and California to catch up with our families. So you may see me riding, hiking, or surfing somewhere. But for now, hurricanes and boats don't really go too well together. But for us, it makes for an amazing life with 2 fantastic seasons, the boat life and the mountain life. So I'll be updating you on the mountain life soon as we wrap up the boat season towards the beginning of July. And then we'll be coming back in November and heading south. Stay tuned.